Hello binary option traders, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll show you how to trade with support and resistance areas on IQ option platform. So we broke above this area of support and resistance. Let's check on the left if you have an area. We have one here, but we are even past the level. Here I expect the market to move more higher. So that's our next level. Of any possible seller's entry. When we check on the left, we have another area here. And this is a good area because you can see we have a reaction here, another market reaction, another market reaction, another market reaction. On our current level, we have a reaction here, another reaction, another reaction. So these are good levels of support and resistance. I need a rejection to take a trade. I've seen a rejection, so I expect the market to close below my entry point. But let's wait. If we close above this area, I'll shift my level. So we'll be going more higher. That area. So you can see a very good uptrend here. So this is our next level of seller's entry. So let me explain this trade. I did a put option here because these are level of resistance. Initially we saw some seller's entry on this level. Again, when this buyer's candle was formed, we got a rejection from the same area. So I expected at least the sellers to close below this area for 1 minute before the buyers can continue pushing the market. But instead the buyers broke the level strongly. So we lost that trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because, as you can see, we had a support level here. You can see the rejections. After retracement, consolidated in this area, and this was our support level. So we got an uptrend from this point. So when I saw this candle forming above the previous closing price of this candle, I knew that the market will now continue moving more up to our next level of resistance, which is this area. This is our next level of resistance. Because from this area we can see a strong rejection, another strong rejection. So I expected the market at least to come and test this level, and as you can see, it tested the level and got a rejection. So we won that trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because after this retracement candle, we started going up above our level of support and resistance. This is our level of support and resistance. So I expected the market to continue with the trend. That's why I did a call option for the next candle, and we won that trade. On this last trade, I did a call option because I expected us to close below the level. That's why I did a put option on my previous trade, which we lost, but instead the buyers broke the level. So we changed our level of resistance to be at this wick. So I expected the market to come and test this wick, either to break the wick or reverse from this wick. And we won that trade. And I was telling you the market was targeting this wick because this wick will act as a resistance level. So when it is broken, it acts as a support level. As you can see, the market is rejecting from the same level. So that's how to trade with support and resistance areas. So keep watching other videos in this channel to learn more about this strategy of support and resistance. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss my uploads whenever I upload a video. If you want to join our training program, you can contact me directly through the Telegram link in the description below. You can also join our Telegram group. There's a link for you to join. Stay safe and bye-bye.